Hello guys, so this is the second part of a vector tutorial. So I'm just play this game, and this is the preview of our vector game tutorial. So you can see this is the basic functionality is working of our vector jumping, sliding and running. Okay, so now we continue with our recent project. Okay, so here we leave in our last tutorial in part 1. So now I'm going to check what we have made. Okay, so now I'm going to stop it and select the player and make the speed is 0, and now I'm going to edit a camera script, create a public float x position and just press x position. Okay, so now we can set the position of our camera with respect to player. Okay, so here it is. I'm going to set it to 7 and let's play. So we can see the effect here, and when I'm sorry. Okay, so now you can see our player is not on center of the screen. Okay, so now I'm going to add some sprites to our player, and somewhere I found this sprite sheet of player with 3 moves like run, jump and slide. Okay, so I'm going to select it and change the sprite mode to multiple and hit the sprite editor button, and here I can slice it automatically with the center of bottom. Okay, and slicing is done. Now apply it. Now we can find the slices right here. So I know here is the 6 of running, 6 of jumping, and the last 3 is for sliding. Okay, so I select the first 6 and drag and drop here to make it animation and name it run animation. Okay, and just place it near the player so that we can check if the animation is working fine or not here. Okay, so we need to play the game for seeing this animation is working. Okay, the animation is fine, but I think you can see the little jerk in this animation, so I'm going to correct it and just select this and create the sprite editor. and just large so that the position of the player remains same. And don't forget to click on apply button, just cut it and again hit the play button. Okay, so now it is fine, all look more fine. Okay, so now we need to create a first the change the name to graphics and put it in our player and make the position to 0 0 0, and again select the player and disable the sprite render. Okay, now we need to adjust it to work according to collider, and okay, now I think it is fine because automatically it has a correct size. Okay, so now I'm going to create another animation. Select the graphics so we can see this. Okay, now we need an animation tab. You can open it here. Animation and the animator is the two different tabs, so please don't confuse in it. And okay, so now I'm going to open animation here. Now click on run animation. Create a new empty state. Select it and click on it. Create new clip and name it jump animation. Hit enter, and now you find this open, and just select the this 6 and drag and drop to here. Set the speed to 12 and just hit enter. Okay, now go to animator and you find this here. Just make it set as default here, and now we need to go to and let's start playing so we can see if the jump animation is working fine or not. Okay, it is fine, you can see it. Okay, now we need to create another animation. Okay, so again click create a new clip, name it slide animation. Okay, and go to project folder and select the 1 2 3. Okay, these three, and drag and drop to our animation window and set the speed to 12. Okay, and when we go to animation window, we find this slide animation here. Make it make it a default layer and hit the play button so that we can check whether the animation is working or not. Okay, it is fine. And one more thing, on jump animation, don't forget to check off the loop time button, and same for the slide animation. Okay, now save it. Now I need to make the transitions. So first of all, set the running animation to default. Right click on run animation clip and make transition to slide. Now right click on slide animation and make transition to run animation. I do same for jump animation. Now we need to create a three boolean values. One, oh sorry, is running, which is always be true, and again is jumping, and the last is sliding. Okay, so and is jumping is true, and this is for sliding, sorry, is jumping is false. And this is for sliding, so sliding is true, and when sliding on false it will be back to 0. So I need to check it again. Okay, just check off the has exit time. Okay, so now we can check it that our graph is working or not. Okay, it's jumping, sliding off. Okay, so now I'm going to edit a script of our player controller and create a public game object graphics. Okay, and private animator anim. Okay, now in start anim is equal to graphics dot get component, and here we reference the animator of our public game object. Okay, and we set the anim dot set rule in a while stop is running to true. Sorry. Okay, so it will be default. Now I'm going to our swipe function, and when it jumps, so I'm going to set the rule is jumping is true, is jumping to true. Okay, and when it collide with any ground, so it should be okay, it should be false. Okay, and same for swipe function. Here is our swipe, so anim dot set rule in the upper stop is sliding should be true, and I'm just going to copy it and paste on our standard function. Oh sorry, false. Okay, and I think the invoke function is a little delayed, so I'm going to make it a 1. Okay, so now hit the play button and check whether it is working or not. I don't so. Oh sorry, we need to assign the graphics to here, and I think now it's working. Yes, yes. Okay, just assign that speed to 10 and now play. Okay, so there's two things. We need to assign the ground tag on our boxes. This one and this one. Select and assign the ground tag. Okay, and let's create. So I think the basic functionality of vector game is done. Now I'm just creating a label. So you can do it better, I think, because I am a beginner in label design, also in scripting too. So I think the label design is a endless work, or it should not be included in tutorials. Okay, so let's play. Okay, so it is working fine. You can correct the bugs or fix the bugs or run something very interesting, really interesting. So thank you for watching tutorials, and I will back with the next tutorial very soon. Hope you enjoy this tutorial. You can add coins in this game by adding just a character function. It is very simple game. So oh, sorry, yes, the notification. This is the place where I done died. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.